Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.7, Problem 9. This is Section 4.7, Problem 9. It says the new Portuguese Purchasing Power credit card offers 2% cash back on purchases made in Fall River or New Bedford. Last year, Maria got $84 back. How much did she spend in Fall River or New Bedford? So this is a percent question. So with most percent questions, what I like to do is look for the important parts of it, so I can rewrite it as A is P% of B. And once I do that, I plug it into the formula A over B equals P over 100. So what are the parts? So 84 is going to be an important number. 2 is the percent. How do we arrange this? So 84 is either really the A or the B. We want to know 84 is 2% of what number overall? Like, did she spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 approximately overall? So the 84 is the A, is P%, so P is 2% of B. B is the unknown, so I just leave it as a B. Now, once you have it written like that, you can plug it into the formula. The 84 is the A, is the equals 2%, 2 is the P, the percent is 100, and the B just stays B. It's unknown, that's what we'll solve for. So to solve something like this, what we do is we cross multiply. So going this way, B times 2, write 2B, and this way 84 times 100, 8400. Now, that's not the answer yet. I want B equals, not 2 times B equals, and I can find that easy enough. B equals 8400 divided by 2. Now, I find this easy enough to just do it. I ignore the zeros for a minute, and I have 84 over 2. Half of 84 is 42. And then with the 2 zeros that I was pretending I couldn't see, I have 4,200. So that's B. That would be Maria's total expense on that card, or total purchases in Fall River or New Bedford for the year. Now, if you don't see it easily, if you can use a calculator, do the numerator of 8,400 divided by the denominator 2, and you'll get 4,200. Or you could just do it the long way, and you'll still get 4,200. And with a lot of these application questions, you want to ask at the end, is that the final answer? Is that what the question is asking? And in this case, it is. 4,200 is the total amount spent on that card in Fall River and New Bedford for the year.